What's up, everybody? My name's Danny, and this is Parker Met, and we are
Excellent sound.
Damn, that was like so fucking perfect.
That was fucking radio ready.
How you guys doing today? We're doing fucking fantastic. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, we are.
Before you even have a chance to tell us how we're doing.
Sounds
you're doing.
Fucking great.
We're gonna be here today showing you guys how to make this new Getter song. What is it called? Nothing. No.
All is lost.
All is lost. It sounds a little something like this. Little flumy style pluck. Little Louis the Child.
Little future bassy.
Little future bassy. Sounds like this. Pretty cool, pretty exciting. As you can tell, it's very Future Bass, and I am wearing a Future Bass hat. And if you didn't already know, we have a Future Bass pack.
Oh, yes.
That's right. We have Future Bass, lots of sounds like this, but you're going to get this one completely free.
Completely free.
But not the pack. The pack is for sale.
The pack
That's
is
on the
for
website.
sale.
But this sound that we're making today, you're going to have completely free, $99, including the rack.
Super dope sound, by the way.
And yes, just because I just won our Future Bass, just so you guys know, completely opposite sound, but kind of in the realm of Getter. We just came out with Riddim Riot.
Riddim Riot.
It's out. It's offending people. It is rioting across the streets
People
of
are
America. People are purging. Yes. It's out. It's on our website. Tons of presets. Tons of samples. Super good price.
Beautiful drop sounds.
Only $3.99, as PewDiePie says.
$3.99.
But can you do this?
Oh, I was trying to do the chair thing.
$3.99, great price. Great price. It's $49.99, great price.
There was no hydraulic whistle at all.
I can't do it. But yeah, we got it on our website. It's a pretty good price. It's $50. Got 60 presets, over 250 samples in there for you guys. Go check it out. Anyway, without further ado, this is gonna be a quick little video. This is like a very flumy, like I said, Louis the Child.
Very emotional.
Very emotional. I already cried. I cried like 4 times just trying to make it.
Yeah.
So, I actually cried a little bit earlier fighting with Parker on this song.
a lot of emotions.
We are also
going into the song.
Yeah, we're gonna be. If you guys want, we're trying to remake the rest of this song, like the drop part with like the really cool saws, and we got it close, but we want it to be like perfect. So if you guys want us to do a part 2 of this, please let us know in the comments below. Yeah, give us a sub. If you guys like us, a saturated subby.
Give us some wubs.
Saturated wubby.
Yeah. We actually had a listener send us some sounds the other day.
Really? I didn't get them. I want some.
They sent them to me.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I didn't send them to you.
My bad.
But, you know, that's pretty fucking cool, you know?
That's dope.
You guys are sending us your presets. I love listening to them.
Yeah, that's
They're
awesome.
dope.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and make a new MIDI track. Go over the sound. It's a pretty simple sound, but it's very cool. Very reverby.
Reverb.
I'm gonna. Ooh, very nice. I can't roll my R's. My girlfriend makes fun of me. I'm gonna call this one pink. I'm gonna bring the rack down too. The rack is in the download description below, so don't forget that you guys can grab that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste this in. We're gonna turn it off. Show you it's a little bit of processing, not too much. Okay, we're gonna pull up a Serum. Before I do that too, let me just go ahead and show you a little something once I plug in this Serum. Okay, so what we have in here, we just added like a little impact. This is an impact from Riddim Riot, our new pack that just came out, like I just mentioned. Just put a bunch of reverb on it. It sounds like this. And I'm automating. This is really cool for like impacts. You guys can make your own if you want to, but like automating the decay like this. You could figure out how to make your own if you wanted to. And then we have a little bit of sub impact right here. Ooh. And it creates that airiness behind it with the...
Some ambiance.
But let's do what we always do and hear it with the init patch. Some Porter Robinson shit right there, dude.
Oh, dude, I love Porter.
I like Porter too. Okay, so first
He's
thing about this
emotional.
sound, Parker started it. I helped and finished it. And what it is mainly about this sound is the wavetables that we're going to be using. When you hear a sound like this, you want to try to recognize, when you're trying to remake a sound, you want to try to recognize which wavetable it is first. That's the first step. Nug of Nodge, smoke a ball. First step in remaking any sound is try to find the correct wavetable. Bam. Write that shit down.
Fucking nailed it right on the head, dude.
First step, okay? Find the, and this sound is very hollowy, kind of wispy-ish.
Yeah.
Now there's a lot of reverb, so it's kind of hard to tell. But when I heard that, I was like, okay, it could be either a square wave, a sine wave, or a triangle. I know it's not a saw because a saw is like very zzz, a saw, dude, you know?
Yeah.
It's very zzz. And a square is very arcadey. A sine wave has no harmonics, and a triangle is kind of like in between. It has a little bit of harmonics, but a lot of sininess. So that's how we started, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go make our serum bigger.
Yeah,
bigger is
to
better.
113%.
Our serum dick is so big right now.
So fucking large.
Okay, analog, basic shapes for oscillator A. First shape's going to be a triangle, right?
Yep.
Just like so.
Just like so.
Everything's pretty much stock, just like this. Okay.
Yeah.
For the warping, we're going to set... Actually, I'm going to go over that in a second. Oscillator B, let's go to that. Oscillator B is also going to be basic shapes, and this one is going to be a sine. So I couldn't decide between the two, so I decided to combine them. That's what happened here with this choice. Put this to +2, okay, and turn the level all the way down. Now, this sine wave is going to frequency modulate into this oscillator A right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to select the warp mode. I'm going to say FM from B.
Sucking that sine, dude.
Sucking that sine. Let's go ahead and solo this and hear what it sounds like. Now, when I move this knob, you're going to start to hear more harmonics come in. A sine wave is a really nice wavetable to
Look at
use.
those curves.
Yeah, very, very curved. This
Curvaceous.
It's the thickest fucking, it's the thickest wavetable. Triangle's totally a thought. I don't know if I said that right. I don't fucking know what kids say. I'm fucking old. Okay, so if I turn this FM knob, let's listen to hear what it does. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because it's getting a little annoying. But as I turn it up, it gets kind of more screechy. So where I'm looking for it is I kind of want it somewhere around here, I think, right, Parker?
Yep.
41?
Mm-hmm.
42s? 41%.
42s.
41%. Actually, fuck it. We're going to 42s.
We're going to 42s.
Because it's fun to say. 42s. Okay. That's looking good. +2. Now, if I change the octave, a little side note, because this is a short video, so I'm just going to go over a couple fun things.
Yeah.
If I change the octave of oscillator B, my my carrier, as you would call it, I believe. If I change it down to 1. You can get a lot of different characteristics. Even if I change the semitones. And I could change the FM amount. Just a little fun thing to know about.
Those
Always mess
algos.
when you're messing with FM, right? Always the knob is touchy, right? But also mess with the carriers. I believe it's the carrier. Mess with the carrier's octave. Okay, that's going to give you different style. If it was at 0, it'd sound totally different. Right? So I'm gonna go put it back to where it was, +2. Just a little fun tip for you guys. So if you're ever going through a preset and you want to sound a little different, mess with that octave of if it has FM in it. Okay, that's looking good. Now let's make our envelope 1. Envelope 1's gonna look a little something like this, just like so. Right?
Yeah.
And no sustain. Get it out of my face.
Get that sus shit out of here.
Get that sus shit out of me. Yeah, this shit's sus. Sus is like
Shit is
suspect,
sus,
right?
Dude, yeah.
All right, cool. I know what's
Or
up,
sustain.
kids.
Or sustain.
Just take that sus down. Release. Let's turn it up about halfway. 119. We want this sound to kind of carry out. Cool. Attack. I'm going to slow the attack a little bit so it's a little bit more whistly. I have the attack set to 20 milliseconds.
Beauts.
Decay is good at 380 something.
Yeah, 363.
380, whatever. 363. We'll put 3.
Looks
Oh,
great.
I just had it. Damn it. Damn it.
Son of a fucking sus.
Son of a sus. I'll leave it there. Fuck it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, LFO1. Let's make that. Make it go like that. Done. Okay. And maybe a little bit of curve, just like so. Set it to envelope and put it on eighth notes. Bam. Should be sounding like that.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we're going to go ahead and do a MG low 12. No, LH low 12.
Yeah, low high.
Yeah, low high. Low high.
Is that what LH is?
I think so. Multi, low, high. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's like a little bandpass.
Oh, nice.
Oh, dude, I should fuck with
like
this
that
more.
shit, dude.
I didn't even know about this. Damn. Okay.
Those curves.
Leave this all the way down for now. Yeah, so there's only 2 bandpass filters, I think. Well, there's a couple ones, but like to have this much, you can basically make your own bandpass. That'd be really good for wubs and shit, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking wub, dude. Okay.
Wub on, wub out.
Wub on, one out. I'm gonna wub one out, dude.
Wub one out.
Let me just go and wub one out real quick.
Wub, wub,
wub. All right. LFO.
We have to be future based in this video, but we just keep going back to rhythm.
Yeah, dude, we're fucking so rhythm. Make sure oscillator A is going onto it. Cool. LFO1, go like this. Put on the cutoff. Make it go like that. Done.
B and F.
I'm gonna pull this up a little bit more. I love that. That's kind of one of my favorite LFO shapes to do. Just like the quick with the low pass filter.
Quick and nasty.
Yep. Okay, cool. Next, we're going to go ahead and get into the effects. So for the effects, I have it saved. I'll go through each one and explain what it's doing. Again, this is a very simple sound. If you don't want to make it, you're pretty lazy, but it is in the download description below. But it should only take you about however long this video is. And probably you can do it faster at this point. It's pretty much done.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and load effect chain. I got it saved here. It's called getter pluck NN. Open. Bam. Okay, we'll go through one by one. Tell you what each one is doing so you can learn. If you did download description and leave, just let us know that you did so.
Yeah, a couple of you guys let us know. You know, that's really nice of you.
I appreciate it. Thanks,
we really do.
Thanks for breaking our hearts, but at least you told us. You know what I mean?
Doesn't hurt our feelings at all.
Doesn't hurt. I'm fine.
Just a little.
I told you I already cried 4 times before we started making this video.
See you guys.
Just subscribe. Okay, Hyperdimension, got a little bit of rate at 40%, detune at 25, mix is at 4 sevs, size is at 50, mixes all the way down. It's widening out the sound, sounds like this. I feel it tickling my ears a little bit more.
So tickly.
Next, the sound has a lot of distortion, but it's like very like muffled. So I use Diode 2, which is a very strong distortion. Really great for wubs.
It's one of my faves.
Really great if you want to wub one out. Use Diode 2 right there. That's our new fucking thing, bro. I'm gonna wub one out real quick, dude. T-shirt, excellent merch. Down copyright patent pending. Don't even.
Yeah, do not fucking steal.
We already made it.
It's already copyrighted.
It's already done.
We got
just right
in
there.
The back.
Yeah, I was just joking. Our new shirt's out. Wub one out.
Wub1out.com.
What should it have on it? Like a fucking
like an LFO.
It's like a coming in LFO.
Yeah.
Like a wub one out.
It's like frequencies coming out or something.
An LFO shape of a dick. All right, anyway. Okay, so Diode 2, drive at 76, mix at 60. Adding a lot of distortion. Now here's the key component here is the reverb. The reverb is going to be set to Hall, size at 35s, decays at 4.7s, low cut all the way down, high cut at 35s, spin rate at toots 5s, spin depths at toots 0s, mix at 65s. Sounds like this. The reverb is really making it.
It's really nice.
It's a really good thing for an intro. But if you want to dial it back, you can put like even like turning down this mix knob. Makes it a little bit more of like a normal synth, but since it's like very airy in this part of his song. What did I have it at? 67? I've just moved it.
6.5s.
6.5s. Okay, 6.5s.
It'd be really cool, like arpeggiated as well.
Yeah. Should we try it?
Yeah, we could put like an arpeggiator on it.
Let's try
Oh, dude, that's a sick riff, dude. Oh shit, bro! Don't be playing that on the air, man. That's a great idea, man.
I think that was pretty good. Like I didn't do it.
Yeah.
All
no.
Right,
yeah.
Cool. Yeah. You guys know what's up. Shout out.
Shout out
Velociraptors, Chris Pratt, dude. Hottest dude in showbiz. Yeah, he's so hot.
Yeah.
You see the way he commands the raptors? He's like he's like so peaceful.
So powerful.
He's like, Blues, stop. He's got it. He can control the raptors.
He's a dinosaur whisperer.
I liked him better when he was fat and on Parks and Rec. Because he was funny. Just kidding. Okay. So yeah, that's reverb. Next is chorus. Rate at 0.08. If you want to do any future bass sound, use a chorus. It'll always do it. Rate at 0.08. Delay at 1.8. Delay 2 at 0. Depth all the way up. Feedback at 10%. Low pass at 1,000. Mix at 76. Sounds like this. Next, a little bit of compression, just like so. Threshold at 18/1, ratio at 4/1, attack at 90, release at 90, gain all the way down, mix all the way up. Glues that shit together. When I was listening to the original, subtle. I just felt like I needed a little bit more over the drive. A
little bit more
over the drive.
Overdrive.
Vaffanculo, dei stronzo. Somebody said some shit in Italian to us. Did you see that?
Oh, where?
I don't know. It said something about my mother.
On YouTube?
Fuck you, bro. I think he was trying to talk Italian because I said I was Italian. I was like, huh? I just know the bad words, bro. Just stronzo and shit, dude. Hey,
Stronzo.
Hey, stronzo, get your fucking ass over here. My family's not from New York.
New York Italian.
They call me stronzo though all the time. You know what that is.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get into processing, and then we'll finish this pop up. Quick little video for you guys. Quick little banger.
Look at that.
I'm going to go ahead and close this. For the processing, I just have a little bit of overdrive like so. Drive at 50%, tone at 50, dynamics at 50, dry wet at 20. You see 1.45 and 4.95. A little bit of OTT, folks. For the next one, I got a little OTT just pushed up in the mids at 49%. Sounds like this all together.
Kind of creates some like really nice ambience too.
That OTT is pushing the reverb in Serum. I like to use regular reverb, but like Ableton stock reverb, but I'm using Serum's reverb.
Yeah. It's
not really good to double up, but I don't know. I do it sometimes. Some people disagree.
It's a little cloudy and shit.
Yeah. Altogether, it sounds like this. It's beautiful.
Simple as that.
And that's how you guys make it. That is our remake of Getter's song, Something's Lost.
All is Lost.
All is Lost. I kept thinking it was Nothing Nowhere, but apparently it's featuring Nothing Nowhere.
Yeah, featuring Nothing Nowhere.
Yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something. Don't forget, this is in the download description below. Totally free.
Totally.
If you guys like what you see, you want to check out our other videos, check us out on our YouTube channel. Obviously, you're probably watching that right now. So if you like it, make sure you guys subscribe because we need subscribers.
We got new content every week.
We're trying
every Wednesday.
We're trying to become billionaires like Logan and Jake Paul.
Yes.
Okay? And the only way we can do that if you guys subscribe to us.
We may throw Tapatio in our eyes, you know, and snort lemonade.
We're also thinking about should we maybe doing like some challenges? You guys have any challenges you'd like us to do besides just like normal remakes?
Yeah, not hot sauce in the eye challenges.
But producer challenges.
Producer challenges.
Yeah, tell us what you guys got. Make sure you guys check out our website for any other free presets that you want. We got tons of stuff on there at www.xlntsound.com. We are at XLNT Sound. And make sure you guys check out Riddim Riot. It just came out. It's doing fabulous.
Just dropped.
It's doing fabulous.
Getting tons of positive feedback.
Tons of presets in there. We got 60 presets. We got over 250 samples. $50. Super simple. Really great pack. People are loving it. Getting great response. Project file included in there. So make sure you guys check that out. If you like Future Bass, I already told you check out Future Bass.
So much good shit,
We got Cartel.
man.
We got Dubstep. We got
There's
Effectuals.
So much good stuff.
I'm fully aroused.
Fully.
Am I forgetting anything?
No, dude, you are just fully fucking aroused.
I'm fully engorged.
Go,
Let's get the fuck out of here. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye. Oh, don't forget, too, we are producers, so if you want to hit us up for any production work, info at XLNT Sound. Maybe we'll mix your track.
Who knows?